and today I am at the beach with my friends. So I'm gonna be vlogging some of the trip for you guys. So yeah, hope you like this video. So this is my friend Ari. So this is the beach we're at today. Very lovely. Lacoya State Park,
Laconia, New
Hampshire.
Because we have the best beaches ever. Yep.
Yeah. Hey everyone. So we're just falling again.
We're falling
again. So we're just finishing our lunch. Finished up our lunch. So and drinking our beverages. So but we're gonna wait a while. Excuse me. Till we go back in the water. I just really love this little design. This chevron-ish sign. And I like your
Yeah.
I like your, but it's all black, sleek.
But it's the backing that has the design.
And the backing has crisscross backing. This is my towel.
Mine's just a bunch of fish.
Nothing really special, but for the camera. If you stand right here, don't move the camera. Like, it's like I have a scenic view.
You look like you're on a beach somewhere in Hawaii.
Yeah, it does. We're just hanging out, chilling, on our picnic. I would go tanning, but there's really no space on the beach too. Prune.
The only juice for elderly.
Now we're done for
Put your hat on your head.
our beach day and we're gonna get changed and I'll see you guys when we get back to the change. So that's Ari. This is Ari's outfit. And we'll be heading back to our car.
Well, to your car.
To my car. And get some ice cream maybe. So, and I think that'll end the vlog right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, I got sunburned. But anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, and I'll see you guys later. Give it a thumbs up. Or this is not the end of the video. This is an introduction. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Here, I want to see if I can get it in. Maybe this would work. I don't know. Wait, is it working? Can you see me? Okay. So this is how you hold the camera this way. I feel like I'm gonna fall over back here.
So don't
So I do that. Yeah. So yeah, we're at the beach. So.
And my hair's in my face.
Prune.
Oh, you moved the camera.
Yeah. You know what? Okay.